Yes, I'm back. Ooh, perfect timing. Happy Friday, everybody. How we doing? Says, damn, so Bitcoin gonna be doing some fuckery for the long weekend? Yeah, banks are closed on Monday. I mean, you can even kind of tell right now. You know, if you're, I know we have like a lot of new traders that are just kind of starting out. And so something to start doing is, you know, just kind of having basic notes on, for example, when S&P goes down, but Bitcoin goes up, you know, and vice versa, when S&P is going up, but then Bitcoin is going down. So you've got two different pivot points. And so I think it would be smart to do something like when S&P up, BTC down, S&P down, BTC up. And then probably like, you know, RSI, stochastic, RSI, MACD, volume. Is it Friday? Yes, no. I mean, as much variables as you could throw in. Holiday weekend, yes, no, inflow, divergences, you know, you could even make like an Excel, you know, and so you can put all this stuff that you're seeing and you can always recall it. Options, yep, that's another good one, Adrian. Yep, options. Yeah. Where the gamma and the gex is, you know. So because you don't want to be the type of person to be like, what the fuck, you know, why isn't Bitcoin following? You want to be able to be like, oh, okay, so the last time it did this based off of this variable, and this variable, I think that it is either front running or maybe it's lagging, so it's gonna catch up type of shit, you know. But these things happen so often that if you've been in this game for a couple months now, you should at least have some sort of like generalization that you can make. You know what I mean? So if you're starting out, don't let these types of moments just go by you, you know? It's valuable data. So remember to somehow, some way be able to have a way to recall these patterns. Gobrito says, is that a triple bottom in S&P 500? Oh, kind of. Yeah, it didn't maintain the bull div, so. You know what? Like, it's not a triple bottom. It kind of depends on what your definition. Is a triple bottom when it literally just touches the bottom 3 times? Or is it only a triple bottom when it actually holds the bull div? Like, this to this could have been a bull div, but now, you know, this isn't a bull div anymore. You know what I mean? Because like, because you know what this is, right? A descending triangle. You know a descending triangle is bearish leaning, right? And that's going to have 3 touches. It's going to look like this. So imagine if you're like, oh, that's a triple. And isn't this like, it's making a lower high? Yeah. So I don't know. There's no right or wrong, but you see what I'm saying? Just to kind of make you think a little bit. What really is a triple bottom? Do you need a bull div? Do you not want it to be a higher or a lower high every single touch? You know, it's just to kind of make us think a little bit. Not really like saying, I'm not really saying anything or trying to make a point, you know? All right, let's go back to the 5-minute. Family, yes, that's right, Project Pat. Hey. I usually don't like dancing, but 5-minute candle closes in 3. There's still 3 minutes left. Still 3 minutes left on the 5-minute. What's this? Oh, what just happened? Oh, get this shit off my screen. Oh, we closed this. Oh, this got closed. Okay. All right. I'm going back to Kraken. Oh! All right, well, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. You know what would be crazy? But if it's gonna go just straight through, then yeah, we'll try. Maybe we'll try another short. Never Give Up says, do you think we can get good scalp long entry? Well, I mean, we've seen this millions of times together, brother. So what would be the most next logical thing to look for or anticipate? Some sort of bullish retest, right? So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for just common sense, just kind of 5th grade TA type of shit, any sort of bullish retest you might be looking for, brother. If a long is what you want. Yeah, but did you hear my plan? How I said that my next long would be like if turning 25.3 into support. Yeah, so like let's say it blows past 25.3, and I drew this before, but let's say that it blows past 25.3 and it goes somewhere like 25.4, 25.5, 25.6, whatever the number is, and then obviously it's gonna pull back, right? If 25.3 turns into support, I might be longing that. That I would prefer to long. This I don't know about, because it's weekend. But you know, just that might be opportunities if you want. There you go. First 5-minute Macaulay. It's happening in 13 minutes. It's not just Macaulay Culkin hour. It's Macaulay Culkin 3-day holiday weekend. Oh yeah. All right, let's let us up. Snap diddly, snap diddly. Hey, this is fucking awesome. All right, there you go. I can't do the other screen capture anymore because I've already started shutting stuff down. Swabe Nug Bucket. How fast do you usually move your stop loss break? I'm putting it in right now. Okay. 2, 4, 4, 8, 9. Done. Okay. And I'm gonna, you know what? Here. There, I'll at least put that in, okay? I'll at least put that in. So even for that, so if I don't get the swing fail on a short attempt up there and it starts to break, then it's this, right? It's just the continuation of the inside bear div. So then I don't really care what the price is. I'm going to be aiming for that. Alrighty, and the short is the one that I would prefer, right? That's the big one. That's the 250, 300, 500 Bitcoin one. So like I said, the shorts that we were taking here, tight stop loss, because we knew that this was going to go. In my opinion, this is probably more favoring a downside. So any long attempt I take, tight stop loss, just like how you guys saw right now. I can't lose on the one that I'm in. What did it say that I would get? Like 5,000 or something, right? So We shall be back soon enough, okay? I'm gonna trigger the volatility now. You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Here it is. All right, you guys, have a great weekend. I'm rooting for you guys. Stay safe, everybody. We'll regroup pretty soon. Love you guys. Peace, everybody.